Bomb blasts can be heard several miles away, but their effects travel longer distances. In northwest frontier province, almost all aspects of life have been a hostage to attacks. Schools and colleges have been closed from time to time, either due to threats from the militants or the attacks that have targeted the education facilities.
By doing this, discouraging children to go to schools, they might be thinking on the lines that these students who will not go to schools, proper schools, regular schools, might end up and land in religious seminaries. This could be their thinking.
The uncertain situation in Peshawar and adjoining areas has put a lot of mental pressure on students and teachers alike.
While at school, we are always scared of any bomb blast. At the smallest sound, we feel it was a blast. Going back home, we are not sure to reach home safe.
We cannot go freely to the markets to buy some books for us, and the study is also affected by these terrorists. And we cannot go freely to the hostels, to our institutes, and cannot be a good student. So as a student, I think that this is a very bad effect.
District of Swat as well as Peshawar have borne the brunt of bomb blasts, with the education center being a major casualty, as more than 200 state-run educational institutions have been destroyed by the militants. Pakistan already exhibits a much lower level of literacy rate. In the meantime, the present condition of unrest threatening every community in the region has added fuel to the fire, as the young generation seems to be heading for a mess. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.